Okay, hello YouTube. I've had a couple requests to make another amateur radio video, so today we're going to be out here and we're going to attempt to make some contacts on amateur radio satellite SAT 1C. What is that? SO50. And I'm out here with my my little scientist. Say hello. Okay, a little shy today, but anyway, we're out here a little early before the pass, and it's been a while since I made a amateur radio satellite contact, so I might be a little awkward and clumsy with my equipment here. But we're going to be using the same antenna that you saw in the last video, the Arrow low Earth orbiting satellite, 3 elements on the 2-meter side and 7 elements on the 70-centimeter side. And instead of using my FT897, we're going to be using the VX8R, which has now been discontinued, unfortunately, but better radios will come. Anyway, so here's a look at my setup here. I used the handle that came with the satellite antenna and converted it from a handheld unit to a tripod mounted. Here, let me back up here so you can get a better view as I trip over things here in the parking lot. Yeah, that way I can operate hands-free, almost hands-free. I still have to hold a microphone, of course. And I like this setup because I can't remember call signs on the whim as fast as satellite contacts go. So I use a clipboard so I can write them down as I go. That way I don't fumble around too much. So this setup for me works best. That way I don't have to hold the satellite antenna and try to remember all the call signs and all that fun stuff that goes along with making these contacts. So anyway, it looks like another one of our little scientists has appeared. Say hello to YouTube.
Hi.
Alright. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and sign off here for a second while I get set up, and then we're going to show you how to make some amateur radio satellite contacts. Okay, here we go. Now I have my my tracking software printout here. I printed out earlier today, and it is going to begin its pass at the horizon at 1607 at 335 degrees from north there. So what I'm going to do is find 335 degrees on my my compass here, which is right about there. And this is just one of those normal compasses that you can get from any sporting goods store or anything like that. But anyway, I don't want to get into too much about that because I'm running low on time now. So anyway, I've got 335 degrees lined up with the arrow here. And what we're going to do is point that arrow, where are we at here? We're going to bring the red needle to the north. And where the arrow is pointing now, over that way is the direction in which the satellite is going to peak over the, I'm sorry, not peak, but it will pop up over the horizon. That's where we'll begin our pass. And next, it looks like at peak, the satellite here is going to be at 48 degrees from north. So again, we will rotate the dial to 48 degrees to the top where the arrow is there. And I am clumsy. That's about 48, I'm sorry, right about here. Okay, so again, we'll bring the compass red arrow to the N, and this is showing us the direction of where the satellite's going to be at peak. And right over the top of that peak there, I guess, is where we're going to be. And let's see, we need to know our elevation at that point. Okay, where are we? The elevation of 29 degrees, so about 30 degrees. It's going to be right above just above the peak of that little peak we're looking at there. Anyway, okay, and to end the pass, the satellite will go down behind the horizon again at 120 degrees. And showing here it's going to be a 14-minute long pass, and it says no here. That means the satellite will not be visible. So 120 degrees. We'll do it one more time just to show you. Oh yeah, really clumsy. Kind of cold out here too. My hands aren't working right. Okay, and the end lined up with the red needle, and the arrows pointing the direction where it's going to go behind the horizon there. So unfortunately we'll probably lose the satellite before it gets that low because of this building here in my way. And this is one of the satellites that I have more trouble receiving. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and sign again here real quick, and we'll be back when hopefully receiving SO50 SaudiSat 1C. My hands aren't working, it's cold.
KB1 SWZ from KYSE.
Kilo 8 YSE from KB3 TQO.
The 3 TQO, I didn't quite get the call there, but give it to me again there. This is K Yankee Sugar Echo. We're in Echo November 91.
Echo November 91, copy. This is Kilo Bravo 3 Tango Quebec Oscar. Please copy Fox Mike 19.
Okay, KB3 TQO and Fox Mike 19. Very good. You got a good signal into the bird. Have fun. Have a good rest of the weekend. 73, this is John in Cleveland.
Thank you much, John in Cleveland, from Chris in Pennsylvania here, South Central. It looks like the frequency on this bird has shifted a little bit since last time I used it. It's been a while. Anyway, 73s to you.
It jumps frequency now and then. So sometimes it's the center frequency 795, sometimes it's 5 kilohertz lower. The center frequency is 790. And there doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason to when it does, so it'll be on either one. KB1SWZ. There you go, KB1SWZ from KYSE. Called you before there. How you doing? Good. I had some problems earlier with the other bird, but this one was tough too, but I got it figured out. Okay, there you go.
Okay. Anyway, I'm satisfied with that. I made one satellite contact, and it's cold. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and tune in for next time.